with a different kind of object-based, which is the newer, better, faster way. I was talking to one of my associates and he described it much better than I am. But newer, better, faster. In essence, the old way of doing object is 20, 30, 40 years old, 50 years old. It was all set up from the old NASA days and trying to do communications to the satellites and to the long-term communication stuff where the satellite was going out to the edge of the universe and they were gradually getting broken down communication because the data wasn't coming through clean. So they had to come up with a system that they could take a minimum amount of bits that would actually come back from the satellite or go out to the satellite in these long-range, long-distance communications and get enough information from that to make the message. And so they came up with object storage for that. It was, the Reed-Solomon type original design. Well, that is great, and that's what most of the old and cloud-based systems are using these days as a way of storing data in the same way. They can have a limited amount of data come back through and still be able to replicate the information. Rozo, which is the system we've been using, uses a new type of object-based storage. And it's not really that relevant what it is and how it works, except that it's much faster. And it's designed for the new paradigm. And they're the ones that developed it and designed it, and based on an open source project that they have. And it is performing at a much higher level in the long run than what we've seen in what is pretty much all of the other object-based systems that exist. So it's wholly unique.